Welcome back to GCAP Performance. We have another great supercar to show you. This time we have a 2020 McLaren 600 LT. The customer has opted for our GCAP Performance Stage 2 package. This consists of a set of decat downpipes and a DME Stage 2 tune. We're very lucky to have the first set of sole performance decat downpipes. This is from a company in the States. They are 3.5-inch mandrel bent stainless steel. They're 4 kg lighter than the factory system, which is great on the 600 as the 600 is designed to be a track spec lightweight car. The option we've gone for is decat instead of having sports cat, which means we unlock lots of extra power, and at the customer's request we're going to give him some big flames. The vehicle is now going on the ramp in the workshop, so we're going to head on over there and show you around the car. So unlike the 570S, the exhaust on this is rear and upward facing. So we're going to be keeping the standard back box in place. We're going to lift the lid off. We need to take both rear wheels off, and then we're going to get the standard catalytic converters out. We'll install our decat downpipes from Sole Performance, and then we can set about tuning this vehicle. So the exhaust is now fitted to the vehicle. We're now going to set about tuning it. So this is a stage 2 tune. So we need to physically remove the ECU, pin out with the auto tuner, read the standard file off, and Sean, our in-house file writer, will start creating a custom software which will load onto the vehicle and refit the ECU. We'll then go out and log the car, check that the fueling, timing, booster is correct, everything's happy and healthy, and that there's tons of extra power. The McLaren 600 LT is 592 brake horsepower and 620 Newton meters of torque. We're hoping to get out of it around 720 brake horsepower and 740 Newton meters of torque. So that's a big power increase. So we're going to start creating this software, loading it on, and see how we go. Let's get cracking. So the car is now equipped with the GCAP Performance Stage 2 package. Ollie, who owns the car, has just turned up to collect it. We've both gone out on a test drive and he's come back with a massive smile on his face. He gave us a set of instructions on how the car should drive and the way the power is delivered, which hopefully we've met all his expectations. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the car. We think it's turned out fantastic. If you enjoyed the video, please click here and see some of our other videos that we have online. Please like and subscribe and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much.